traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 16th, and this is my analysis of the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, to me it definitely looks like the end of a wave 3. If it is the end of a wave 3, then we are likely probably in a wave 4 correction, which I think is potentially probably going to take us out at least until next spring, 2025, probably lasting at least 6 to 8 months. So let's keep that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this big push down is all just a wave A of the ABC for the wave 4. Kind of like what I was showing you on the higher time frames. Probably end up doing something like this for some sort of an ABC of wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it definitely has been going up pretty strong. I still think that this move up is likely to be a correction to this move down right here, and I still think there is a pretty good chance at some point it is going to make another attempt on the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, that's where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last little push down, the last little series of low high, low high, low high, because this move up right here is very likely to be just a correction to this last series of lower lows, lower highs. We don't have a Fibonacci bounce yet, so likely it probably isn't over yet. Likely it probably is going to try to go up at least one more time before it actually does end up continuing back down. So anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. It is trying to go down, and I did notice that a lot of the yen pairs are trying to make a little bit of an attempt down. So, I mean, if it does, break and hold below these structures really well, then you probably should start looking for shorts. Kind of seems more likely like it might drift up to one of the higher fib levels, so definitely be a little bit cautious on the short side, because really ever since it broke structure to the upside at the beginning of last week, you definitely could have been looking for longs, and you probably technically still could be looking for longs, because we definitely don't have a Fibonacci bounce yet. So, keep an eye on it. I mean, if it starts to really make impulsive movements down and really start to break these structures, then I would definitely turn into a seller. Otherwise, if it just makes like a little bit of a slow move down, a little bit of an overlapping pattern like what it's been doing back here to the downside, and then impulsive up, then I would actually go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.